So, in lockdown days, generally we buy everything through online. Nowadays, even food and household products too. So, why not smartphones? At best price offers. Yes, the Super Saver Flipkart days is live from today till the 3rd of June. So, by this limited time offer period, I have classified the top 4 smartphones that we can purchase under terrific price point. So the first smartphone I have classified is the Poco M2 Pro. The price of this smartphone is 18,000 rupees at flipkart.com, but now it's just 13,000 rupees. So recently, in the previous video, I have bought this video from Flipkart and I've unboxed this video. So if you want to look at this video, I'll leave the video's link description below. You can go and check it out. And the second smartphone that we can buy in this Super Saver days is the Poco X3 Pro. It is the 20,000 king. The original price of this smartphone is 24,000, but now it's just at rupees 19,000 rupees. So a terrific offer. And the third one is a Samsung smartphone. A huge offer in this smartphone. It's the Samsung Galaxy F41. The original price is 20,999, 21,000. But the offer price is just 14,500 only. It's one of the best leading smartphones in 15,000 rupees budget. And the final smartphone that I have classified in this Super Saver days is the Redmi Note 9. The price is 15,000 rupees, nearly 40% off. The price is now just 11,000 rupees. So more and more terrific offers from flipkart.com. I have only classified the top 4 phones that we can afford from flipkart.com according to the price point. So choose wisely. And so thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. The Good Mad Kid. Thank you.